Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's Sohan Mustafa, and it's the 1st of June. Market update here. So, if you are following me on Twitter or on any social site, you know what my bias is. So, I will not go in depth. I will check monthly closure. Yesterday we had a few hours ago. Yes, monthly closure, and what is the market conditions right now, and we will see what are our weekly and monthly levels are and how to trade them now. Then we will go towards Bitcoin dominance, which is a hot topic nowadays, plus Ethereum and altcoins as well. Let's get started from Bitcoin. So this is scalp right now. Okay. We will start from monthly here. So this is how we close our month. Good monthly closure up here with a slightly like it's a bullish monthly closure here. Not a big deal of that, like not a big wick here. It's okay. Body is bigger than wick, so it's a bullish monthly candle here. So what are the now probabilities and what are we looking at it? So I will explain. This is a previous monthly resistance up here. We break above, but now if we close whole monthly candle, like no candle is touching this line, neither wicks, nothing else is touching this line, then this level will be invalidated. But this is valid till it tested out. It will be tested sooner than and later 102,379.7 it is. So this is important level here. Otherwise, other than that, we had good monthly closure and it goes really good according to structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it created a new higher high. So with this case, I will remove each and everything here. With this case, like remove this is our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is a new higher high. Candle closure above, wick is also above this candle. So higher high, higher low. Now what market will do? Market might go up here and then pull back towards higher low. So CT is already in bear mood. They are going for 69k. So that's not a case. So this is your higher low. Now this is on monthly, this level is your bear market level. This will make structure shift, and this level is 74,457. 74,457. Keep this level in mind. If price is at 74,460, like $3 up, you are still bullish. Yes, market making like higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, now higher low. We will have a pullback in market. So don't be afraid of those pullbacks. These are bullish pullbacks, and how to trade them. Like in pullback, if Bitcoin comes to its certain level, you have to load your altcoins, and you will. When Bitcoin goes for another higher high, you have to unload those altcoins and Bitcoin. So now, what are our key levels? The key first level is this one. This is monthly resistance. We have to tap this one sooner or later. And on downside, I don't see anything because there is no gap here. Plus, we have to create a new gap here. So we will see how much this gap will be. So there is no underneath gap here yet. So so I will say yes, we are in good mood right now. We are good. We are okay to go. Now look at this level. It tabbed. retested on weekly, but on monthly it didn't yet. Yes, last month, the month which we closes above this line closed here, but not. The new month is getting trying to test this level sooner or later. Okay. Another thing which I see here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 6, 7. So this is seven candles straight in line green 2, 4. So maximum we have like if our trend is going up or going down, we have like maximum of 8, 9 candles straight. Either they are green or red. So this is we already have seven here. So 1, 2 will be now red. We have this level, monthly level here. We marked it here. Now on what I say on daily, sorry, in previous session I explained this that the monthly closure will be good. They will close good. First they will go up, then they will come down. Now according to the structure wise, we have this level precise here. Okay, remove it. Now we will study structure here. We have MSB here on daily here. Then we have this bullish momentum up here. Like we closed holes two candles above this level. So we have higher highs. So pullback for pullback, we have this whole weekly 88,500 demand created here. With this demand, we will see any. Yes, we have our OTE zone matching here, two confluences. Now, yes, 0.7 matching here. I will remove this one for now. Sorry. Yes, these two were removed. So OTE zone is here and order block is here. So on higher time frame, this pullback is valid and it will be healthy pullback. Like treat it as H1. Like if you saw a structure like this on H1, you wait for demand here to tap. You get entered here, your stop should be below here and you target these highs. So same case here, but this is weekly time frame, so it will take some time to form here. Like it will not came down straight like this, but why not like go up making something like this, and then come back down. So it will be like this in the later summer. So if it not came here, don't worry, we will find it toward upside. We will find our levels upside in the market. So we have fair value gap as well here. Two things are here. Now on weekly, I see this. This is a resistance creating here. New. It will. It is not yet confirmed, but this is your first resistance at 108,955.9. This is weekly resistance creating. It is not a resistance yet, but it is in creation. If weekly closes like this is your resistance, and if prices go back here, it will be a resistance and it will reject here in this zone. And above here we don't have any level, so weekly resistance, this will be in our mind, so we will remove it right now because it is invalid yet, because we don't know if what if we pumped straight up here again and this level get invalidated. Now we will go for CRT, candle range theory. So external liquidity swept here, we have internal liquidities here. These are the two liquidities pending here. So these two liquidities will be taken out because external is getting out, like the way we get out this liquidity here and we hunted this one. So same going up like this. We will see these liquidities will be uh, getting vanished from the market sooner or later. On the other hand, on daily, if you see this is a good resistance support level here, so we might see a wick in this liquidity here, and then we go up again. Like Bitcoin is making higher high, higher low here. This is your higher low. So technically, this is your 1 day demand, and it is like tapped here, swept whole demand, then retested it. Like this kind of move, whenever happened here, it came price came back immediately to test this demand again, and stop should be below here, but it came here. So most of the longs are open in this zone, stops are below here, so there are chances that these longs get stopped out, but this is a daily demand, it get reaction really good. So we will see further in this week how this daily demand will work. On the contrary, if you following me on X, I have a range. Remove this one. Um, this is the higher time frame range we have. We swept, we retested the range, and mid range is now a target. So basically, what I am talking, what I am trying to say here is that on higher time frame, our demands are these zones. On lower time frame, we are bearish. We are at range highs. This is range high deviation. This one the range low of deviation here. A big deviation up here. So on lower time frame, yes, we are bearish. Where is our POI on this is higher time frame POI. I will remove these extras, so the important levels which we have we will left on chart, and the all extra levels will be I will remove it. So on high time frame, this is our demand. When our price came here at 88.5k, yes, it is 88.5k, yes. This whole zone is our demand zone. So we will not short here. We will start loading and we will look for good alts, good position. We will build and we will sell it on range highs once again if price in future came up there. But on lower time frame, we have this mid range. This is not H1 range, so I will suggest on like on lower time frame I don't give a shit to a mid range. If you see when I was trying this, I don't have a mid range, but on higher time frame, yes, I do give a shit to mid range. Look at this level here, it gets rejected here, it gets support here, it is getting too many confluences matching here. So what we will see or we will find here, if you go back to the structure was higher high, higher low, swept here, structure shifted here, and it generated a supply here. This one. I will remove this because it looked like shit to me. I will mark this line, one line, and we'll call it a W weekly OB here. So this is my weekly OB right side. Whenever price came here, I will keep eye on it. So this is my zone. But this was a supply. It rejected here and then it flipped, but it never retested back down. So what will be the good chance for me is on lower time frame I am bearish. We have two liquidity spending here, and we swept range high, retested successfully going down for these. But what are my POI on lower time frame? This supply is my POI on lower time frame because there are two major confluences mid range plus supply is also here, And another thing, I will find some volumetric zones here as well. No, no, volumetric zones, whole range. Where is volume? Yes, the whole range is lying here. Remove it, remove it, remove. Why I removed range highs? I don't know. So mid-range, whole range, volumetric zone and supply is here. So later in this week, what will I do is that whenever prices came down here, I will look for long. How to long this it? Invalidation is clear. 98662.1. Six six two point one. I will make it as 665. No worries. And stop here or here, it's up to you. But I will keep it here. And what will be my target if price came here? These liquidities will be swept here. It go up. So simple. I will target again range highs here. This is one setup, and yes, for DCA level, this is the demand here, and volumetric zone as well. Daily demand is here, so you can place bids according to like this. If you place bid on volume zone or on here, it's up to you. I will find some more confluence here. Where are the 7.5 level? If precisely I go for entry on this one, then 97.990 is my precise entry on here. If it given like this is a good 2.5 hour setup it is. So Bitcoin, this one, if it invalidated, then we will go for lower. So other than this, Bitcoin, I don't have anything because the external liquidity swept, internals are here. So go for them, sweep them, make a round trip here, and then go back up. This is what I have on Bitcoin on lower time frame, like on H1. What I am seeing is that I had a level here. This OB, because it's already on daily demand, so there are chances that we start moving up, but right now we are going down, so I would not suggest anything here too long. There are very good shorts presented here, but I was long and my bias was bullish, so I didn't took them. Now if prices came up till here, you can short it. I don't have any specific setup for it for till now, but this is a good supply created here in this zone H4. So if price bounce back again, you can try to short stops above here because this liquidity swept here. We have beautiful lower movement and then go up, came back down towards these levels. These will be your target. So this short will be like from this H4 supply. Stop should be above here, and then target will be this one or this one. It's up to you. 3 hour setup it is as well. So this is it on Bitcoin from my side. Other than that, on Bitcoin, I will see if anything I see, I will post it on Twitter as well. Now I will quickly analyze Bitcoin dominance, the hot topic of the day. What's cooking here on Bitcoin dominance and what we have to be prepared. So here it is daily. Okay, I have this setup here that it will reject here. Yes, it got rejection here, but what happened here is it start moving up. No worries, we have gaps here. Don't afraid of these gaps. It will be like quick go up and it will go down. Now let's suppose this level played really well here. Let's suppose Bitcoin dominance, as everyone is saying that once it starts going down, we will have a mega alt season. So, like if it goes down here, because huge trend line, this is the final target. So everyone saying once it start bleeding, we will have our alt season. What if it's going down and Bitcoin also going down? Do we still have a alt season? No, that's how it's not work, bro. We should keep Bitcoin in range for all season. If Bitcoin dominance is going down and Bitcoin is also going down with it, it means USDT dominance will rise. This one will rise and it is making bullish structure by the way. It was on SR level, it breaked and it deviated back here, retested and its structure is shifted. So supply is also here. Its supply is up like at 5.1%. Everything will go down. Bitcoin USDT dominance is going up means money is flowing into USDT, not in all. Got it? Like Bitcoin dominance is going down, we should go down on USDT dominance as well, and Bitcoin will be stable like the way Ethereum is doing right nowadays. So this is what we want from USDT dominance and Bitcoin dominance. With Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is going down and USBTC dominance is also going down, USDT dominance will rise up. This will cause more trouble for alts. So the basic formula for alt season is USBTC dominance got rejection. It is going to reject. It is going down while Bitcoin is trading in a range and it has a healthy P, at least it has a 2-3% range and it is pumping dumping in that range, not going like from current levels to 84k. So alts will die. For alt season you have to be like this, keep this thing in your mind. Okay, when alt season, mini alt season again. Right now on last stream, sweep liquidity has been swept. So final target for this structure is this level. You see this whole PA here. I will show you one more chart, similar similar chart. I will show you here. Do you see this chart? Bitcoin swept here, and this was a supply flipped. It didn't retest it, and it went up till here. Now look at this chart. Swept here, structure shifted, supply created. Bitcoin break this one and didn't retest it yet, but it is retesting it out. If you have watched my last session or video on YouTube, you know that at that time we were trading at this level. So what I was saying that this is important level, we have to flip for going towards up level, like this level, these levels will be taken out then. But what was I thinking that came down here, there was a lower time frame, some kind of demand here, go up and then came back down to get support from here, accept above this level, retest it, and then start moving. We will start moving up. Same accordingly after 30 days, it is doing exactly the same thing here. So this supply is still valid. These levels are still valid. Daily yesterday we had a and kind of doji candle here. So now we are filling that wick. If we start getting acceptance above here, yes, alts will do perform better in near future then. But it didn't get that level on time. I will remove this one. We'll keep this shit alive. Then we will see that this demand will be tapped and then we will go up. So on alts, this is what I have on total three. Other than that, now there's shitcoin Ethereum. You have seen too many charts on Ethereum. Let me show you mine. I have one chart and I have explained this chart in last video as well. Same chart, same analysis, same daily supply. We have swept daily supply and then coming down to hunt those equal lows. Look at these equal lows, and this is exactly the final level. So in these equal lows I have some kind of lower time frame demands here. So if we swept in this zone taking supply, then we will go up to distribute more into this supply. We distributed some, came down here, now go up, go here, and then came down again to supply. This is how it will be distributed. So for now, these equal lows are looking juicy on H1. If I show you, look at these equal lows here. We have H1 demand here, but I am not interested in this setup. I have setup here on Ethereum. Yes, I have this setup here. This level is got validated here. So if Ethereum I get these like 2315, I will long it. I will surely long it here. So that will be a good range highs taken out, range lows taken down into supply, daily supply, and then again it tested here. So we will see. Other than that, on Ethereum, this is a shit coin. I am just watching it on higher time frame and I am making decision accordingly on them. It is at supply. So this is a wide open gap here. This level is important because this is internal BOS for Ethereum. This causes this move. Sorry, this was not lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Yes, last lower low. So this was the last lower low which causes this whole move towards this supply. So we why maybe we get much deeper pullback if Bitcoin start moving towards a weekly order block, then Ethereum will also be here. Once we flip this supply, okay, then Ethereum will start moving up. Ethereum will cause damages across the board then, because then 4K is straight away 4K is a target. This is a major supply. So we will have another bounce here to this daily supply here. So that will be distribution phase. So we might see a rejection. We might if we saw something like this, don't be overexcited in this zone. Once we flipped, then go for excitement because we have equal highs up here. So these are also liquidities. So we will, once we take it out and then we reject it here, then it means we are coming back towards these levels. So on Ethereum, I have this one. Simple is that. Now come back to the some dot range deviation retest bank range high tagged again at daily demand. Keep eye on it. It swept whole daily demand. Now H1, H4 gives a bullish scenario here. You can long it. And this is the new supply created up here. So dot. I closed it at break even. I think today my stop got out get out on break even. I had this somewhere here entry on it. This is on dot. This is supply. If if it tagged here and it got bounced like here in this zone, you get out on it on dot. Like it is a 10% move. Another one is a link. Link is also good. Got out on break even as well here. It's in the weekly demand as well. Daily demand swept. Same situation, same supply created here. These supplies will cause damage. So yes, not a good idea yet to long here. Another one is Sol. Sol looking promising than the previous two ones. It's in the demand took support, and if it shows some strength here, then it has a supply much above here. So it means we might observe some supply, some kind of some kind of strength in it, and we go up towards it. Once we lost it, then we will see those lower levels. Until current market prices are good, people are scared too long. So yes, Sui is at important previous level. I am in it. I am holding Sui. So it's at important this one level, and it has an internal liquidity above here, and structure is promising higher high, higher low, higher high. This higher lows swept here. So any kind of structure shift here are like deviation lower time frame is bullish right now, but H4, where is H4? H4, H4. This is the H4 BOS. Once we flip this BOS here, okay, we will have a super bullish structure on. So then we swap the liquidities, and this will be the your final target. So yeah, I am in spot already. I will once I get some current bullish structure here, some strength in it, I will DCA my position on it. Virtual shitcoin, remove it. Hype shitcoin, remove it. XRP, same structure forming. Every coin is forming same structure. Like it's on daily demand. Daily demand get tapped out. Okay, XRP formed this equal lows danger coin now. But this was yesterday my structure here. There's a beautiful liquidity pending up here on XRP. SMT was there, so I was thinking that SMT with Bitcoin. So I was thinking like, okay, give me a BUS here internal tapped in this supply here, give me retest I will long, but it didn't. Same BOS is here. This is invalid now. This is also invalid now because we have swept this loose, and also three tap structure completed. One tap, two tap, reclaimed three tap. So this is my BOS. I will see this. If it got structure shift here, then I will long it towards these highs. Tau, oh good coin. Tau gave me yesterday a 15% pump. Yes. Yes, this was my entry here. I have shared this setup. Closed 15% Tau 375 and 356. DCA bit didn't build, but these have also equal highs up here. If you see that those equal highs didn't tagged yet. So 375 we longed and I closed this one. for 15% gain yesterday. It was like 1.7 hour. Well, if it came down here again, I will look for entry in it. Tau is much stronger than other alts. So these are the alts which I am looking at it. Other than that, I am not interested in any alts yet because the structure wise, I am looking at Bitcoin. The coins which will follow Bitcoin, I will just I will just uh, long according to the way Bitcoin will behave. I will deploy capital according to it. Other than that, nothing is there. This is Discord. If you want to join, we have a free sections here. We have premium section. Our challenge is also going up 500 to 5K. And I update markets. We have an analyst. We have trading section here. Plus education updates, weekly updates. Every week we update it. So this is a yearly update. We have 43.72. Oh, nice. Till now, we have accumulated in premium section this one, the paid section, and this was the results of like 16.43 are we accumulated last month in it. Exchanges, yes, I am partnered with Bybit, and this one is a good week's 50% rebate fees on it, and Bybit I am personally using, so I will recommend using Bybit through my link, get 20% off on it. And we have trade section in premium and all that shit. We have like journal chat stuff and all that shit we have here. Soon I will create one more thing here for airdrops. So that will be a good thing in addition to my Discord. So for now, this is the update on market. Nothing much interested because Bitcoin is slowly bleeding, slowly. These are the target level for shorts. Those who shorted, they are targeting these levels. So once we get these level done, these liquidities, then we will be enjoying or we will look for our longs here. Yes, same structure I have on. So, yep, this is for me. I'm out. Thank you for tuning till end. See you on other side or on next week. Same. Allah Hafiz.